Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Swati AO, and in this video I will tell you about how to make Korean sentences, basic structure of Korean sentence. आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कोरियन सेंटेंस कैसे बनाते हैं. बेसिक, एकदम बेसिक, लाइक सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट किस तरीके से पुट करते हैं ये सब. So first we understand the structure of Korean sentence. Like in English, we put first subject, then verb, and then object. But in Korean, it is different. In Korean, we put first subject, then object, and then verb. We put verb at the last of the sentence. Okay, टेंशन मत लीजिए, एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझते हैं so that you can understand easily. So example is I eat apple. मैं सेब खाती हूँ. So in Korean it becomes 저는 사과를 먹어요. 저는 사과를 먹어요. 저는 means I, 사과 means apple, and 먹어요 means eat. So what we did, हमने क्या किया, हमने पहले सब्जेक्ट लिया, फिर हमने ऑब्जेक्ट लिया, एंड देन हमने लास्ट में जाके वर्ब को उठाया. Okay, what we did is we took first subject and then object, and then we took verb at the end of the sentence. So this is basic structure of a Korean sentence. ये एक बहुत basic structure है Korean sentence का. This is practice time. Let's do some practice. Okay, so हम practice करते हैं. Concept तो सीख लिया ना, अब practice करते हैं. Let's do. I study Korean. It will become 저는 한국어를 공부해요. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. 저는 is I, and 한국어 means Korean, and 공부해요 means study. Now you will be thinking, what is rir? So rir is an object marker. In Korean we use marker, subject marker, object marker, location marker, time marker. I will take separate class of markers. Okay, if you want separate class of marker, then let me know in the comment section. I will definitely take this class. Second practice sentence. I drink water. I drink water. 저는 물을 마셔요. 저는 물을 마셔요. 저는 means I, 물 means water, and 마셔요 means drink. It is a verb. Third example. I watch TV. 저는 TV를 봐요. 저는 TV를 봐요. 저는 means I, TV means TV, and 봐요 means watch. It's done. You have understood all the things. Now you are ready to make Korean sentences. Okay, I'm giving you two examples. I'm giving you two sentences as a homework. Make sure to do the homework. Okay, don't skip. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning Korean. Thanks for watching. Annyeong.